A broke dad making $1,000 online fast? Yes, I want to see that. Let's see it right now. All right, guys. So today we're going to be talking about how a broke dad can make $1,000 fast. Now, guys, I'm a dad. I am 40 years old, and I would love to have extra $1,000 this month for the holiday. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that with a few websites. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, my name is Zeb Summers. I am an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate digital internet marketing, and I'm here to help you along your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell to get notified every single day when I put out these videos. And if you do like this content, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think. And also, if you have any comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. Post them below, and I will reply back. And if you have any questions, add them to the comments below as well so I can get some feedback. All right, guys, so before we get started, I just want to say we're not going to go into this real deep. We're going to go real fast to the point so I'm not wasting any of y'all's time. So, how a broke dad can make $1,000. Let's get to it. So the very first site I'm going to go to is Fiverr, and I talk about Fiverr all the time. And if you're somebody with some kind of talent, use it to sell your service here, whether it's writing, whether it's music, whether it's programming, uh, animation, graphic design. You can do all kinds of services here and make money. All right. So that's the first thing I wanted to talk about. The second thing I want to talk about is Amazon and selling books. Books. We can get books at yard sales. We can get books on our old bookshelf, old kids' books, Goodwill. There's so many places you can get free books and sell them used on Amazon. So if you come to Amazon, you search books and you go to used, you can start a seller's account on Amazon and start selling your books on Amazon. So you just come down to the bottom of the Amazon here and sell on Amazon and start yourself a seller's account. Then you come up here and you look at all these books, right? So just for instance, this Diary of a Wimpy Kid, book 13. All right, it's probably a real easy book to find. You can see them; they're used here from 924 all the way up to 1325. So, guys, this is an easy sell. 1325, 924. All right, so you see here, people are selling this book. All right, so get out there and sell your books. Next thing is your old smartphones. If you have any old smartphones, for instance, if you come into eBay, start an eBay account if you don't already have one. You search iPhone 7. Here's a trick to find completed listings. All right, so you come down here on your left side, you select used as condition, and you select show only completed items. So the ones in the greens are ones that have been sold. So you come over here, you look at 32 gigabit black iPhone sold for $285. Get your iPhone unlocked. You can go to any AT&T, Mobile, Verizon, whatever. Just go type in on Google, type in AT&T, unlock my phone, and it'll ask you a few questions. Unlock it in a couple hours, it'll be unlocked. All right, so just come here and you see how much these phones have been selling for, and sell your phone for that price. Now, if you don't have an iPhone, you can do a little bit of flipping also. So you come in here and you can see what iPhones are selling for. Then you could go to like Facebook Marketplace. It's a good place to pick up used phones. You could pick up your used phone from somebody on Facebook Marketplace, come here and sell it. All right. Or turn right around and sell it on Facebook Marketplace the same day. All right, guys. So I've sold a couple iPhones on Facebook Marketplace, and I'll tell you, they sold like hotcakes faster than I've ever sold anything in my entire life. I put my wife's iPhone, she had an iPhone 7 before she got the iPhone 10, and I sold it on eBay in less than 10 minutes. I put a posting out there. I came here. I was like, I'm gonna try to sell for the highest one I could find that sold today. And it was like, I forget what the price was. It was really high, and it sold like in 10 minutes. I was like, holy crap, I could have sold it for more. So guys, you can go on there and you could probably find some that are cheaper and try to find a good deal and then turn around and get it. And as soon as you get it, sell it. Sell it on Facebook Marketplace and flip the money real fast. All right. So another thing you can do is sell your books on Facebook Marketplace, but you're going to sell them for a lot more on Amazon. All right. So the last and final thing is a kind of a bonus for you guys, and it's a little different than actually selling your service or some products to get to $1,000. But this is just something you could share on your wall on Facebook or your friends, emails, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. But it's ebates.com, and right now they're doing a special through the end of the year, and then you get $25 for every person you refer. So they'll get $10, you'll get $25 if they spend at least $25 or more. All right, so you just copy your link, you sign up for this account, you copy your link, and you share it on all your social media sites. And if you get a few people to sign up, that's $25 for each person that signs up. So here's a few ways to make money really fast. Fiverr, Ebates, eBay, sell your shit that you're not using, and Amazon, sell books, guys, books. All right, so give me a thumbs up if you felt like this is some value to you. I don't want to waste no time on this video. I wanted to get it straight out there because I know a lot of these videos I drag it on, and I've had people tell me, please just get to the point. And as I'm watching other videos, I actually feel that way also. I'm like, I wish they get right to the point. So that's what I did today. Let me know what you think about that. Put a comment down below and let me know if you think that was too fast or if it was perfect, because I would like to know. All right. Again, hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell, and give me a like. All right, guys. So peace out, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Hope you have a great day.